Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic research methods, in this video we will understand about different types of questions possible. First one is close-ended questions. These questions provide respondents with a set of predefined answers to choose from, enabling researchers to analyze quantitatively, like our multiple choice questions or binary choice questions, etc. Multiple choice questions. Respondents choose one or more options from a list. For example, what is your favorite fruit? So here there are 4 options being given. First 3 options clearly specify a fruit, but the last option, others, is being incorporated so that if anything else is there, the respondent can fill in those. Dichotomous questions, these are nothing but our binary choice questions. These questions have only 2 possible answers. For example, do you own a car? Only options given are yes or no. So the respondent can choose any of them and tick it. Likert scale questions. In this, respondents indicate the level of agreement or disagreement on some specific statement on a symmetric agree-disagree scale. Symmetric in the sense there are 2 things which will support the statement, 2 things which will oppose the statement, and in between there will be a neutral choice being given. Example, how satisfied are you with our service? Here you may notice first 2 choices, that is very satisfied and satisfied, are for it, favoring it. Central one is neither favoring or unfavoring. Last 2, dissatisfied, very dissatisfied, is opposing the views. Rating scale questions. Respondents rate an item on a scale often from 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. That is basically rating scale questions. For example, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate our customer service? Ranking questions. Respondents rank items in order of preference. So the respondent will be given some options and they will ask them to rate it. For example, please rank the following features in order of importance: price, quality, brand, features. So based on the customer's importance, they will rank this. For example, for them, quality is most important, means they will rank it 1. Then price is important, means they will rank it 2, like that. Open-ended questions. These questions allow respondent to answer in their own words, providing richer qualitative data. In that, unstructured open-ended questions are there, wherein respondents can answer freely without any restrictions. For example, what do you like most about our product? Partially structured open-ended questions. Here, these questions guide respondents to provide specific types of information while still allowing freedom in their responses. Example, describe a recent experience you had with our customer service team. Demographic questions. These questions collect background information about the respondents, such as age, gender, income, education, etc. Example, what is your highest level of education? Then you are giving choices: high school, associate degree, bachelor's degree, master's degree, doctorate, or anything else. So you have an option of others also, where you are asking the respondent to fill in. Behavioral questions. These questions gather information about respondents' actions, habits, and past experiences. For example, how often do you exercise in a week? Never, once, 2 to 3 times, 4 to 5 times, more than 5 times. So multiple choice options are given. So this also can be an example for multiple choice question, but since it is talking about exercise as a behavior, so it comes under behavioral question example also. Psychographic questions. These questions explore respondents' attitudes, values, interests, and lifestyle choices. So any questions pertaining to these aspects, you call those as psychographic questions. Example, how important is sustainability to you when you purchase any product? Very important, important, neutral, not that important, not at all important. Like that, you are giving choices for the customer or respondent to choose it. Contingency questions, you also call these as filter questions. So these questions direct the respondents to different follow-up questions based on their previous answers. Means one question will be asked if the option is yes or no. If it is yes, he will have to be diverted to some other question. If it is no, he will be diverted to some other question. That type of question you call it as a contingency questions. Example, do you own a pet? If the answer is yes, then he has to proceed to question 2. If the answer is no, then he has to directly go to question 5. These are contingency questions.